Several of us have probably seen the commercial where the woman falls and she says, "Help, I've fallen and I can't get up." That's what happens in life. Sometimes we fall and we have a tendency to feel like it's too hard to get back up. It's too hard to put the effort in trying to get back up and pick up the pieces, in trying to get back up so that we can move forward, in trying to get back up so that we can walk into our destiny, in trying to get back up so that our mind can move on from the past. It's so easy to fall and to stay laying there and to not even worry about it no more. But I'm here to tell you today that it's time to get back up again. That for those of you who have fallen and you just need a little bit of encouragement to understand that today is your day to get back up again, to get on the move. See, I'm reminded of my own little story this week. I tried to do something new and I went jet skiing in the Caribbean Sea. And I was out there in the waves. I was in the dark water where I kept looking, thinking, Lord, help no sharks to get me. Because I kept looking out there, just seeing how dark that water was and saying, I can't believe that I'm out here in the middle of this, but I'm going to do it. And a couple of times I fell in that water. I fell in that deep water and the winds were flipping me back and forth. And see, it was easy to fall. The jet ski knocked me off easily and I fell. But the hard part was getting back on that jet ski. Because when I got on the jet ski, I had to balance out so that I wouldn't tip back into the water. So the first thing you have to have when you're trying to get back up is balance. You got to balance your situation out. You got to balance your mind out. You have to balance your spirit out. So I began to balance back onto that jet ski. And then you got to make sure that you're holding on and that you have the strength to be able to grip onto the right things. See, I'm here to tell you that when you're trying to get back up again, hold on to God. Grip on to God, because it is His strength that can pull you when you are weak, because when you're weak, He is strong. See, it was hard for me, so much so that by the last few times that I fell, my arms began to shake and I said, I don't know if I can do this. Sometimes that's what happens to us when we fall. We tell God, I don't know if I can do this anymore. I don't know if I can get up again from this. I don't know if I can get up from this mistake. I don't know if I can get up from what I've done in the past. I don't know if I can get up from all of the lies and all of the things that people have said on me. But I'm here to tell you that Proverbs 24:16 is the word of God telling you that the righteous will rise up. Even if they fall 7 times, they will rise up. But it is the wicked that are overthrown by calamity. So you don't have to worry about ever being overthrown. You don't ever have to worry about the waves keeping you down. Always understand, because you are the Most High God, a child of the Most High God, you're always going to get back up again. And you have the balance, you have the strength, you have the endurance, and you're able to grip onto the Most High God to be able to help you to come out of situations that only He can get you out of. I hope were you blessed by this message. I decree and declare abundance and favor over your life. Be blessed.